this is Colby with Rex here, and today we are going to be snow wheeling with Murphy's Diesel. We got the Gladiator and the buggy out today, and we're going to be sledding and having fun, so stay tuned.
Well, howdy freaking rowdy. It's cold as balls and we're about to get rowdy. All right, so we have a couple options here. It is extremely cold out. It is not rock crawling weather, but we have an idea and a plan to go have some fun in the snow with the rock crawler. See, our friends over here at Murphy's Diesel, these guys are super into tracks because they do off-road recovery and they got all the cool stuff. And they might have a set of extra tracks for me to put on the buggy. And this may be the first rear steer tracked unit ever. It's gonna be pretty rad. For some reason, if the tracks don't work, we're still gonna go out in the snow and see how the rock crawler does, because we've never properly broken in the rock crawler in the snow.
What's happening?
He's setting up for a recovery right now before we switch out those tracks. We're over here at Murphy's Diesel. They've got a YouTube channel. They do heavy wrecking and off-road recoveries. I'm out here all the time, freaking hauling butt, killing rocks, but there's way too much snow and I don't know what to do with the snow. So these guys do, and they're setting us up with tracks. We should have the first rear steer buggy on tracks ever. Later, 42s.
Putting tracks on your rig is always a good idea until you actually have to put them on.
I thought 42s were hard to mount. This is bull.
Due to their size and weight, they are a major pain in the butt to put on. They better be worth it.
These are hella heavy, hella heavy.
Child Protective Services that he...
Don't you need a spacer?
It's like the center of the track is like your regular width.
These tracks are not as tall as my 42-inch tires, but due to their design, they massively raise my axle height.
Dude, those are heavy, remember, they got water in them. Oh.
Yeah, watch your toes.
It pretty much takes two big guys, a skid steer, and the better part of a morning to get these suckers on.
Whoa.
What's the first thing you're gonna do?
First thing I'm gonna do is put this thing on a trailer, because I am spooled up, and that is a ton of traction. An unrealistic amount of traction, so turning through a parking lot, you're just, dude, it'll want to twist my buggy like a can. You know what's crazy is usually they have to use chains on these tracks, so that way if a track wants to flip, it'll catch it, so that way it doesn't tear up your vehicle. Well, these things are so far out that they could just flip, so I'm wondering if that'll happen on accident. And if it does, what we'll do to fix it.
Is that foreshadowing? I don't know if I like that. Well, Bronson got the truck stuck.
Where are we unloading the trailers at? Right here. Where are we gonna put our trucks?
See, right there where you're at,
Right in front of that sign, right?
there's a pull out right there.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll probably undo it and I'll pull it forwards, and then I'll pull it backwards to the side of the trailer to the side of that sign. Anyway, so if you're wondering why we need tracks to go play in the snow, I literally just pulled off and got about 50 yards down a snowy road, and I'm flat stuck in the truck. So I guess this is where we're calling it and unloading it.
It's time to unload. Not a freaking problem. That is so crazy. Look at, you left snow where your tracks were. He's got freaking tracks on there. How does that feel?
What?
How does it feel?
I feel like I'm in a tractor but a rock crawler. It's super weird.
A rock tractor? He's making his own parking spot, isn't he?
All right, first time ever on tracks on the snow. It's not warmed up yet, so I'm gonna let her warm up because it is freaking cold. My buggy doesn't come out in weather like this, so we're gonna let her slow it down a little bit. And then we got freaking Wrecker Rick over here from Murphy's Diesel. Check out how he plows the snow in his truck. He's clearing out an area for our trucks to park over because I already got my freaking truck stuck. That's embarrassing. You know, Rick, a snowplow does a lot better than that.
I disagree.
Well, when you get your truck stuck and you got tracks, it shouldn't be a problem. Borrowed tracks. Doing good. You come park right over here, okay? Park right over here. What do you think?
I like it.
I bet your friends won't believe that you drove a rock crawler tracks, huh?
No.
We have for video to prove it. Tell them to watch right here.
Yeah.
All right, first time driving on tracks. Who knows? If this goes well, I might ditch those inflatable tuba tires and just run tracks rock crawling. I don't know, let me know what you think after this video in the comments if I should do that. All right, let's do some tracks stuff. Woo! Let's go, we're blowing snow. Woo! Holy moly, this is crazy. Tracks, baby, tracks. Tracks are freaking wild. I don't know what the heck we're doing, but it is fun as all get out. I'd like to get off this regular road. We got Jess behind us, following in the JT. We got Murphy's Diesel ahead of us. We're just grinding.
You look like Santa Claus.
I don't feel like Santa Claus.
I got stuck. I couldn't go anymore.
Oh, get off. Is it coming off?
Yeah.
Is it all off?
No. Still got some in your sideburns from the rest of you. Yeah, you made it look easy. It wasn't. Making it look easy. Look, I suck at overlanding. Probably suck at snow wheeling. They're stuck too, so I feel a little bit better. Gladiator crew stuck. Oh, he's moving. You're almost there.
So far, these tracks are super fun. I don't know if I'd get stuck without them, but I'm definitely not getting stuck with them. Jess is stuck right now. We're gonna go ahead and pull her out to the road. Whew. Just pulling mom around these tracks. I'm like a freaking snowcat. Almost. Super light. Oh yeah.
Wasn't really sure if we could make the buggy cooler, but it turns out Murphy's Diesel said, yes, we can.
I wish there was rocks. I want to crawl the rocks in the snow. There's no rocks. All right, we just got to the testing grounds. We're going to see how these tracks work. Hopefully we're going to pull Colby back here. She's nominated herself to be pulled behind the tracks on a snowboard. So no rock crawling when it snows, but you can sure put some tracks on it and go out and have a snow day.
gone.
Just do that and then drop it when you're ready.
Bronson lost that so bad.
I had you on the go, but I got the push.
This has been a wild day, and it's snowing now, so there's that, which is really cool. We're here in beautiful Williams, Arizona. Apparently the snow fun hasn't stopped. Keep going. Okay. All right, Colby. Get in the board. No, in the tracks. You want to be in his track. Hold on. Get ready. Oh. Oh.
Go!
Oh, look, he's on the fresh snow, not in the track. Oh, we're not done yet. Go again, go again. Oh, good job. Good one.
Well guys, the tracks are a heck of a lot cooler than I thought they'd be. They have so much traction and you can go anywhere in the snow. Bad thing is, in the buggy, it freaking sucked because there's zero warmth, no floorboard. Everything covers you and it is freezing. So uncomfortable, but so much fun to do. So it was pretty good. Glad we did it. Happy to do it again with warmer stuff.
Crawl on over to wreckgear.com to make sure you check out all of our rock crawling lifestyle merch and buggy accessories. Sponsored in part by Birdie Life Race Wheels, BF Goodrich Tires, Warren Industries, KC Highlights, and Axle Off-Road Helmets. Best way to support this channel is give that subscribe button a little skiddly do, diddle that notification bell, give this video the fat finger, and leave a dirty little comment below. Wreck Gear now has merch and buggy accessories at wreckgear.com, so don't forget to go spend that money that mama don't know about. As always, thanks for watching.